but you're not wrong for long. I only like it when you're leaving. I only like it when you're leaving. I only like it when you're leaving. I only love it when you go. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Temper by Lime Cordiale. It's good to be back playing ukulele and doing some more tutorials. So yeah, go ahead and grab your ukuleles. Make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. And let's get to the chords. All right, so this song has 5 different chords. There's actually 6, but you don't really play the 6th one that much, so we're just gonna go over 5 of them, and I'll show you the 6th one in case you do want to play it. But anyway, the first one is a G minor, which is your pointer finger, bottom string of the 1st fret, middle finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and the ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. The chord after that is a C minor, which is this chord right here. It is just these bottom 3 strings on the 3rd fret. The chord after that is a B flat. I like to play it barred like this. So you bar this whole 1st fret, put your middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the top string of the 3rd fret. You basically just want to play these 2 bottom strings, this string and this string. So if you don't like bar chords, you can do it like that. But I like bar chords. The chord after that is an F, which is super easy. Pointer finger, 3rd string of the 1st fret, middle finger, top string of the 2nd fret. And the final chord is a D minor, which is just the same thing as an F. Pointer finger, 3rd string, 1st fret, middle finger, top string, 2nd fret, and then ring finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. It's kind of crowded. So yeah, that's all the chords. The other one that would be optional is an E flat, which is just your pointer finger, bottom string, ring, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and middle 2nd string of the 3rd fret. E flat. They only play that once, like during the bridge, but you could honestly just play the other chords. It doesn't really matter, but yeah. So let's go ahead and go over how the verses are gonna go, and then we'll do chorus and yada, yada, yada. All right, so for the verses, the chord order is going to be C minor, G minor, and then F. You play the C twice, 1, 2, then you play G minor once, and the F once. And the strumming pattern is gonna sound something like this. So for the C minor, since we're playing it twice, you could do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or you can just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then for G minor, it's down, down, up, down, up, and then F, down, down, up, down, up. So the main strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. But if you want to add some flair, you can just do the up, down, up, down, up, down, up on the C minor. So pretty simple for the verses. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the chorus. All right, so for the chorus, which is the main part of the song, the part that you guys actually care about, it is G minor, C minor, B flat, and then F. And that is the chord order for the entire chorus, just that on repeat. And the strumming pattern is going to sound something like this. So it's basically the same thing as what you did with the C minor when it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up. But instead of playing the whole thing on the G minor, right when you start doing the up, down, ups, instead of the down, down, up, you switch to the C. So it'll go like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Do you see what I did there? G minor, down, down, up, down, up, switch to C, up, down, up, down, up, and then same thing on the B flat. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up on the F. It's a little tricky, but once you get the pattern down, it sounds really good, and then you can start playing the song. Let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of the song. You start fights with everybody. I'm the one to say you're sorry. I know we're wrong, but you're not wrong for long. I only like it when you're leaving. I only like it when you're leaving. I only like it when you're leaving. I only love it when you go. I only love it when you're gone. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn to play Temper Temper by Lime Cordiale. If you want any more songs by Lime Cordiale, let me know. Or if you have any other specific tutorials you want, let me know in the comment section, and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. But I'm also going to start sharing some of my original songs on here and kind of promoting my music, because I have a Spotify and I have stuff on there under J Willie, guys. If you want to hear my own music, go check it out. Link in the description. And yeah, I'll be doing tutorials, covers, and my own music on the channel. So subscribe if you want that stuff, I guess. Peace out.